that. Just like that.
Oh,
Just like
this
that.
feels so good. You have no idea.
Stay there in that position for a second. Yeah.
That's right, you hammer.
Yeah, she does have a lot of people following her on Instagram, and she gives great advice also on her Instagram channel. Yeah. And some of the things that she puts on her Instagram channel is about the diet and what to eat, because she's a vegetarian, you know, or a vegan, I think.
I feel a difference when I do vegetarian too.
Turn this way, please, right inside here. Hold right there for a second. Just trying to turn your head to the right a little bit, just a little bit. Thank you. That's it. Good. That's it.
Put some screws in there.
Screws? No screws in here. Look up a little bit. That's it. Hold right there. Okay, and look straight ahead, and then just relax right there. Good. That's fine. That wasn't so bad. Just going to recheck you here. That's a little bit better. Good. But still jammed in there. Right in there.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. But better though.
Yeah,
just like what you did.
Yeah, a little more movement. Good. Just going to hold inside here. Just relax a little bit. Just want to lean. Just let it go a little bit. Just going to let you slide in here. Yeah, that's a little tight. Let's see if that rib got any better. Okay, let's come and lay face down. You could be a little stiff. All right, let me just check your pelvis first. And bring this up. Relax inside here. That's going to be perfect. You feel comfortable there?
Yep.
Good. Just check your pelvis. And relax completely. Yeah, right side of the pelvis is rotated. So I'm going to fix
Do I
that.
need to take my shoes off?
I'll take them off in just a minute. I'll take them off in a minute, yeah. Good, because I'm going to adjust your feet also. Adjust your ankles as well. And just relax a little bit. Good. Good.
Make me a little bit taller.
I'm going to try. Good. Good. And just relax here. All right, Martina, I'm just going to tap that right pelvis area a little bit. Just relax in here, just like that. A little more. And again. Okay, and just relax a bit. Just going to go right in the ischial tuberosity. Relax. Good. I'm just going to stretch that pelvis a little bit. Good. And relax it. Good. Good. Bring it to the side. Good. And the opposite way. Excellent. Okay, we're just going to check the other side as well.
On and off first.
Because your pelvis is a little rotated off today. Right, it's going to go right inside the ischial tube. Good, just like that. The lumbar region. Good. Let's see how that moves. Relax your leg nice and easy. Just going to gently bring it up. Good. Better. Just going to bring it down to the side, let it drop. Good. Okay. Piriformis muscle's tight, so I'm going to loosen it up with the massager just a bit. So it might make your leg jump a little bit.
Okay.
That too strong?
No.
No? Good. Yeah, so this muscle in here is a little tight also.
It is actually.
Yep, it's causing
I forgot to tell you.
Yep, it's jumping a little bit, and your sciatic is right underneath that,
That's
so it's
exactly
squeezing the
right.
sciatic a little bit. Yep. Try to get that to relax a bit. Just going to right in the hip joint. So Martine, you're still doing Zoom consults?
We do.
Yeah? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Good.
There's still COVID here going around.
Yeah, no, I know.
I had
Yeah.
3 for yesterday, before 5, before the 5 again.
Yeah.
And like the whole family gets it at the same time.
COVID?
Yeah. Even they were vaccinated and boosted. Doesn't matter.
Good, and just relax a bit. And then when I just come right up top inside
Yeah,
the
in the
thoracic
middle
area.
there
Yeah.
something is wrong too.
Just relax a bit. Just going to come right at the apex of the thoracic spine. Okay. I just need you to breathe in a little bit, all the way out. Let it just go. Good. I want you to do it one more time. In and all the way out. Good. Excellent. And you're going to feel this drop like that. And I just need you to relax in here. You're going to come at the base instead of the occiput. I just want you to breathe in very deep. Please breathe all the way out. And just going to feel a little drop, just like that. That's it. Beautiful.
I needed that so badly.
Good. Take a minute. I might get you a little dizzy.
Do it.
Okay. Good.
I was dizzy before that. So I think it may fix it.
Okay. Okay. All right. Let me have you lay down on your back, please. Face up.
And that's
Good. Bring your legs, bend both your legs for a second. Bend both of your legs. And I just want you to squeeze your knees together. Squeeze. Good. Separate. Separate. Good. Bring this down and just relax this leg. It's going to check your knee. That's what I thought. I'm going to just gently adjust your knee. You know, I've been doing, I usually get allergies in
You
the
do?
fall season. Sometimes.
Oh, okay.
And since I started using the nasal wash at nighttime,
Oh, okay.
you know, I actually, it's like a saline nasal wash, no problems whatsoever. Sometimes I even do a saline wash with like a little essential oil. And it works great. I can't believe
How
it.
about the
I just started that.
hydrogen peroxide in the mist?
I haven't tried that yet.
Food grade.
Mm-hmm. Haven't tried that.
It's really good.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Good. And just relax the knee a bit. Good. Very good.
It's a nasal nebulizer.
Nebulizer?
Yeah.
Mhm.
It's like you buy it. It actually hurt my knee right here.
Yeah.
You buy it online. It's really cheap.
Mm-hmm.
And you put like food grade, hydrogen peroxide,
Sure.
and then it helps a lot too.
Just relax the knee for a second. Just bring the knee down. Just like that. One more time. And just relax. Very good. This might feel a little weird.
No,
Good.
it's alright. Okay.
Just relax your legs for a second. Just check your ankle.
I think the right one maybe is out too.
Mm-hmm. This feels pretty good. And just relax in here a little bit. Good. Good. It was good. It was easy. Same thing. Just relax again. I'm going to check this ankle.
You're fixing any bone in my body, huh?
Yeah.
Every bone.
Right. This is a little bit out here. A little
Yeah, I
inflamed
thought
also.
so.
There we go. That was easy. Mm-hmm. Relax. Good.
It's also important.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Good. Okay. I'm going to slide you down a little bit, just a bit. Bring your legs down here. And just relax your legs there. Come back.
okay.
I'm going to bring this down a drop.
It's a special table, isn't it?
This one?
I'm telling you.
It is.
Special hands, your golden hands, yeah? And a special
There you go.
table, just all you need.
Here we go. Mm-hmm. All right, I want you to lift up your head a little bit. Nice and easy. Hold on. Come back down and just relax your head.
Hmm?
Right at the base. Good. And I just want you to breathe nice and easy on this. Okay. Good, just like that. We're just going to open this up a little bit, just get a little traction inside here, just so you feel a little bit of movement inside there. And I want you to breathe in very deep, and just breathe all the way out. Just kind of let it go. Again in, nice and easy. Just kind of let it go. Good. Just like that. Just
Oh,
like
this
that.
feels so good, you have no idea.
Mm-hmm.
This is worth thousands of dollars.
Just a little movement.
Oh,
Bring your legs here. Almost done. Okay, come right underneath. Put this underneath here. Just gonna recheck you. Slide it towards me just a little bit. Just about perfect. And just relax here for a minute. Good.
I was not able to move my neck before I was here. Now it looks like I can move this.
Good movement. Just gonna recheck in here for a second. And I'm gonna completely just relax. Just like that. Just gonna recheck. Put a gentle stretch in here. Good. And just kind of relax. Just a bit more. Good. Right there. Good. Let it go. Nice and easy. Good. That's it. Got a little bit of movement.
I'm always impressed how you know where the dot is, Unbelievable.
You want to see if you got a little bit left over right in there. Good. Much better movement already.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Just gonna stretch. Open up the joint a little bit. Good. A little more. Just open up the joint. Breathe nice and easy. Good. Just relax there. Good. Good. Come back down.
I don't want to move. I'm going to stay here all day long. Oh, this it's like all the circulation goes back in my brain, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Hard to explain, but that's what it feels.
Much more movement.
Oh yeah,
Good.
thank you so much.
Just breathing one more time, real deep. All the way out, Martine. Nice and easy. Good. Mm-hmm. Martine, let me take a pillow.
Okay.
Okay. Let me take both of your hands. 1, 2, and 3. Easy.
Okay.
Hold here for a
Oh,
second.
this feels good.
Just gonna do a little bit of massage in the shoulders.
Go for it.
Sure. Just like this. You're gonna lean to the left just a little bit. Just a bit. Good. Nice. Okay, we're just going to go over to the right nice and easy. Just like that. Come down a little bit. Here we go. Fantastic.
I feel I went to a mechanic.
Well, almost. Almost, that's right.
Thank you very much.
There we go. Tirado, if you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.